Welcome to a special Halloween edition of Pop Sugar's Kids Cook-Off. I'm your host, Gordon Ramsay.
Just kidding, it's just me, Brandy Malloy, and we are so excited about today's show. You probably recognize these two from their fantastic culinary talents, larger-than-life personalities, Dara Yu and Sarah Lane. Girls, we are so excited to have you here today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are going to have a little friendly competition of who can make the spookiest, creepiest Halloween cookie dessert, okay? So I have some cool supplies for you all and ingredients. We have Oreos, Nutter Butters, frosting, lollipop sticks, candied eyes, and sprinkles. Actually, not candied eyes, candy eyes. I didn't bring real eyes and candy them for you, sorry. All right, so we're gonna put 1 minute on the clock, and while you guys are decorating, I'm gonna be drilling you questions about Gordon Ramsay and the show, okay?
Okay.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, begin! All right, Sarah, let's talk about those fried sardines. What were you thinking when you had to make those, and what did you think when everyone loved them so much?
I just wanted to use something that was out of my comfort zone so that people would probably like it a lot.
You did a fantastic job. All right, Dara, let's talk about you. What is your favorite thing to make for your family?
My favorite thing to make is probably like a grilled salmon with a bed of quinoa or barley and like green beans or carrots.
You guys are so impressive. You cook better than most adults I know. Okay, let's talk about the future. What is your vision for your restaurant? Because I know both of you cannot wait to be chefs and just take over LA's culinary world.
Well, I want to have like a restaurant based around like the customer and what they want to eat, and I want it to be like Asian fusion.
Whoa, there's blood happening over here. All right, we have 10 seconds. Oh my gosh. 8, 7, 6, oh, I like that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. All right, let's check these out. Ooh.
Bloody vat.
A bloody bat. Wow, that looks very bloody. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. All right, this one was mine. I made this earlier. I cheated, but a little mummy pop. You guys are so cute. All right, what's next for you? We're gonna, the series finale is coming up, right? Can you give us any teasers about it?
Well, you're gonna have to watch, but tomorrow is actually the top 4.
Okay, so top 4 tomorrow. It's a 2-part special series. Tomorrow, 8/7 Central, and then next Friday, November 8th. What about you? Just hanging out, being the coolest girl on the block?
Yeah.
And I can't look at you without saying whip it good, because if you guys watched her on the show, she was screaming at Gavin to don't stop whipping. So you guys kept us entertained. We can't wait to see what's in store for you in the future. Thanks so much for being on the show.
Thank you.